Recently, ITC hosted a grand launch party to kick off the AMD ITL Cup 2024, bringing together industry leaders, channel partners, sponsors, media partners, and team owners, as well as their family members. The evening was filled with energy, excitement, and great networking. The title sponsor of the launch party was AMD and the co-sponsor was Lenovo. Apart from all other sponsors, the event kicked off with a traditional lamp lighting ceremony where distinguished guests were invited to illuminate the lamp. The party was packed with a vibrant entertainment including live music and dance. It was the perfect setting for networking, exchanging ideas, and discussing the significance of the AMD ITL Cup 2024. One of the most exciting moments during this launch party was the unveiling of the ITL Cup trophies and the introduction of the 12 participating teams. The energy in the room reflected the anticipation and competitive spirit for the tournament ahead. It was a night of celebration, unity, and shared passion for both cricket and business. Being the media partner for AMD ITL Cup 2024, DT had the privilege of attending this event. We interacted with ITSC founders, sponsors, and channel partners to know their reactions about the event. Check out this exclusive video.
Mir sir, this is 4th edition and I can see the excitement. धमाकेदार लॉन्च पार्टी के अंदर और अभी पार्टी बचा हुआ है, बट उससे पहले आप अंदर जाएं, मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा.
बिल्कुल.
Sir, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
It's a huge successful launch party I have seen ever. So your reaction?
It's a super duper hit. I would say, like, we were not expecting such a huge crowd and such a great support from all the sponsors, the team owners, and all the association, media partners like you. Thank you very much. Like, we are super excited with this season.
So the brand had, shown a lot of interest. I can see the season 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's amazing. So what is playing key role in that?
The key role is the leadership, I would say, which Sunil Bhai is leading very well, and all the founders like working together as a team. Like, it's not, it's a complete teamwork which is helping us, and that's what we've done while the lead was being put at that. Be united, make IT people come under one roof and play.
Right, sir. And so, how has been the we have seen a lot of repeated team and a few new team in the
yes. So this season we have national distributors like Ingram. Ingram was there last year also, but this year we have addition of Rashi Peripheral and the others. So yes, it's like a very good thing that all the IT fraternity is coming together and collaborating. Networking will be done in the event. Like, as you see today, there is a huge big networking going on, and there will be team members who are from all the distributors, from the IT fraternity. It's not like the professional players are coming, it's the employees of all the companies, team owners. Everyone is going to participate and play.
Right, sir. One more thing here, because this is something, it's not an easy cake. Even we do events. So any challenges which you faced and how you overcome those challenges?
There are, I won't say there is no challenges. There is always a challenge, but if there is no challenge,
correct,
there is no kick. So I believe there should be a challenge, so we get a kick to fulfill that challenge and come out of it and give a best event what we can. So that's what we have done here.
Sir, we are now moving to New Year, okay, almost. So what will be your message to the ITSC members or who wants to join ITSC? What are the objectives you guys are fulfilling?
So as you must have seen today that we have a new generation joining us as a founders, 4 new generations. So yes, they will have their own new generation ideas, new sports to be added in this ITSC. So yes, we are looking forward in coming years, new sports to be added, new players to be added, new founders to be added, and new sponsors, new teams, and maybe next year we try to have more teams. Instead of 12 teams, we can try to have 15 teams also. So that's our plan, and let's see what we can do further.
So one thing, exclusive we got that, not only cricket, more sports being added, will be added in few years with the next edition taking up. So Mir bhai, it's a great initiative. Sports unite us, and as an industry, we are looking for a great days ahead. Thank you, sir. Thank you.